I'm Vlogging Brandy, and this is RVersity, a university for RVers. And in this series, I'm teaching you all about how I shower, eat, sleep, and essentially in my RV. In this video, I'm going to show you how I actually eat in my RV. And one thing about my RV is there's some things that kind of get changed around. This is my dining area and my bedroom. If you haven't seen where I've shown you how this bed comes down, you can check that out in the link below this video. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of these episodes. But without further ado, so this is my couch, and really it's kind of simple. I have this pole, which it goes in a closet in the back, but it's just really not good storage. A lot of times if I'm traveling, I just have to put this pole either like to the side or I'll lay it on here. And then I also have the other part is this table. So if I want to eat, I put this pole down in here, and then I just pop this top on. This is what I do if I want to eat, and then I can eat here. I can watch TV. I have a TV up here so I can watch that. And I can shut the door and look out. Or if I want, the other good thing, this is a 170M. So this is my Winnebago 170M. You can put this in so you can actually like have a screen. So there's a lot of really cool features. And then I've kind of shown you a little bit of a tour of my kitchen. My RV's kind of like broken right now, but it's always broken. So this is my fridge when it's working. It works, it's just I don't have power right now, so I can't really plug it up. I can use solar, but it drains my solar. This is my fridge. I have my freezer. If I want to put some stuff in the freezer, speaking of which, I need to dump this out. It's nice water. Dump that out. And then I have my sink, so I usually will keep my dishes in here in the sink. And I can wash things in here. And then you asked me things about my kitchen. I try to get collapsible containers so that they'll fit in my RV. So I can put those in here and wash my dishes. And then I also have tons of cabinets if I want to put stuff in my cabinets. This is kind of, I'm still trying to organize this, but cups and plates, stuff like that. And then I have my stove. So this runs off propane. If I want to cook, I can cook, and then I have my light, so I can cook on here and with gas. And I don't know how ants got in here, so I have ants in my RV. These are my drawers, utensils, other stuff, storage, napkins, things like that. I mean, I do have cooking tools, so I can cook. But again, all the stuff that I buy in here, I try to buy things that collapse. So Joseph & Joseph, I love the brand Joseph & Joseph, which is pretty much all of this stuff because it's multifunctional. I did a tour of my RV to show you kind of like some more of this, but and see, like I use collapsible containers. So these, whoops, will expand, but they expand out. And that's pretty much it. Dog bowls and some other stuff. So this is my kitchen where I hang out, and you know, I have my lovely mat, but other than that, this is, oh, and then my microwave. My microwave, I have to run this off of the generator, so I actually have to have either the generator or electricity. If you haven't known, my transfer switches burn up. This is my microwave. The really cool thing about my microwave, if you can see this little device up here, and it looks a little weird, because I can cook in here, like bake, I can grill, I can toast. This is a convection oven, so it does a little bit more. I don't have an oven, so I have to have something else. So I can only cook with pans on my gas top, and then in here I can grill. And then I have a little hookup in the back that I can hook up and grill to too if I want to hook up like a gas grill. So now you know how I eat in my Winnebago RV. Like I mentioned, it's a 170M model. They have a 170C. Similar setup, about the same. The bed's a little different, a couple other things. If you haven't seen my tours, make sure to check the description below this video so you can see everything. And if you haven't watched the rest of this series, you might want to subscribe. So hit that little red button somewhere down there and make sure to hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified each and every time I publish. This series is about how I eat, sleep, shower, and essentially in my RV because, well, you asked me. I'm vlogging Brandy. This is RVersity, a university for RVers. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.